I'm Marty Marxhausen, Shop Service Manager at Westmor in Columbus, Minnesota. We offer a full service where it's either just basic repairs to get the equipment operational or complete refurbishment, which would be completely tear down, strip the equipment apart, blast and wash parts as needed, replace with factory OEM parts, and warranty the equipment as new. And you get a piece of equipment that works as new and looks as new for approximately half the cost. We can offer more of a one-stop shop where if you have a truck or trailer, we can do everything from brake jobs, tank repairs, pump rebuilds, new hoses, anything that's needed, as well as the inspections and meter calibration, all in one house here.